Hey everybody, how are you? How you doing today? It's me, Charita Jones, checking in. Hope you guys are having a super fantastic Tuesday. So how is it going, guys? Just wanted to stop by and chat with you. Have you saw the amazing deal that's going on with the all-purpose cleaner, guys? I'm so excited about the cleaner. I'm excited about this cleaner because I just want to show you guys. It's all-purpose. All-purpose. You get 2 bottles of this, guys, with the all-purpose cleaning bundle. See, it's two big bottles, and you'll get a free mixer bottle. I'm gonna give you an example of what the mixer bottle looks like. The mixer bottle will look something like this, but it'll be a clear bottle instead of a white bottle, and it'll be labeled with the mixer all-purpose on there, so it already have a label on there. But I just wanted to give you an example of what it would look like, guys. It's a great deal, guys. So just go to my website in the description, guys, and check it out. And you can also add all-purpose cleaner to Scentsy Club. So I love it, guys. You can make so many bottles out of this big bottle because it's so concentrate. As you can see, dilute before using. As you can see, that's what it says. And all you have to do is add 1/4 into this bottle and then add the rest water, and you can spray it on everything, use it to clean everything. You can also pour it in your mop water, okay, and have the best looking hardwood floors that you've ever seen, okay, or whatever type of floors that you have. So I wanted to share this with you so you could go to my website, check out the all-purpose cleaner, check out all of our cleaning products in the laundry detergent. We have counter clean, we have bathroom cleaner, we have all the amazing things that you need to make your house smell fresh. So I just wanted to stop by and tell you guys about this amazing deal. Also, we have the Best Friends Buddy Clips, so be sure to go to my website and check out the Best Friend Buddy Clips. And it's 10% off, guys, so you get 10% off of these bundles, and you get 10% off of everything that's also on the website. And there's also a clearance tab there where you can save up between 20% and 50%. So check out the clearance tab too, guys. So I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I just wanted to stop by and share that with you guys. Love you all so much. I appreciate all of your friendship, and thank you so much for supporting my business. I love you guys. Have an amazing day, and most importantly, go out and make an amazing day for somebody else. I love you guys. Talk to you soon. Scentsy Spirit. Bye.